number. Number, you solve 15 now, you have 16. Yeah.
I think I forgot everything before I was back. Thank you.
Yeah. Just a minute. Yeah. Number 16. But please start from here. Huh? Right, 16, start from here. Yeah, I want you to write it. Okay, then continue.
You're talking 15 or 16?
16.
Dude, the fun spent on friend.
Okay. Sorry, yeah, wait, stop. Here you have to combine the like terms. I mean like negative r and r, we are the same variable with the same code. So negative 6r plus 3r. You have to add them together. Combine them. But it's you need it. Geometry, it means numbers. Right. That's in your copybook. Now wait, negative 6 plus 3. Here you have different. One is negative and one is positive. So subtract. We have addition. Okay. One is negative, one is positive. Okay. Here. This is plus. Must be plus. And here we have negative 6 plus 3, different sign. So we have to what? Subtract. Okay, 6 minus 3. 3. And what is the sign of the negative greater number? Negative. So negative r. Yalla, now continue. 2 plus negative 3r plus 6 greater than 5. Continue. So that's if you have plus sign. Don't forget.
I know, but this is so right now.
Teacher. 2 minus 6r. Combine them. 2 and 6 together.
Okay, so mine is 2.
2. Here it's 2 minus 6r. 2 minus 6r plus 3r plus 6. It's greater than 5. Here you have plus between them. So it's like 2 minus 6r plus 3r plus 6. Continue. Okay. يلا 2 أيوة. Okay, bravo. Continue. Then minus.
2.
Ah. Two. Why 2? Is 3 plus 2 6. Wait, here you have 8 minus 3r. So if you want to move 8 to the second side, why divide? What is the sign of 8? Positive. So what's the opposite of So minus 3r, minus 3r, minus 8, minus 8. Here it is positive 8, minus 8, minus 8. So now it's cancelled them. So what do you have here? Minus 3r equals, oh لا sorry, this inequality greater than, okay, come here, 5 minus 8. Okay, I will do.
Can I go after?
The last, yes, you.
Yes. I'm after yours. I don't get this one. Why did I forget it?
5 minus 8.
You think that you know everything, but we
Positive
don't
5
know.
minus 8.
No, we just put it into
Okay.
What's this? Is this
No.
Why is it?
Wait.
It does make it not. I did mine.
Change it to other. Come on. Not just a minute. No. 5 minus 8. Keep the first one as it is. Change subtraction to addition and write the opposite of it. Now what do you have? Addition. Okay, now addition with two opposites. So 8. Okay, you have to be 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5. 3. And what is the sign of the greater number? Negative. So it will be negative. Okay, yeah, continue.
Change it to minus 5.
Yes, you. Yeah, continue. How you finish? You did solve. You say negative 3r greater than negative 3. I want r only. 5, keep it as it is. Change subtraction to addition and write the opposite of 8, which is negative 8.
Okay, but how you are adding?
Yes, yeah, divided by what? Okay, adding. Okay, adding different sign. Subtract and say the opposite sign. Now, r is multiplying by negative 3. By negative 3. Okay, divide. Then r negative 6 plus 3, it's negative 3r.
Negative 6
Plus 3, this one and this one.
Oh, we should plus it.
Subtract them and take the greater sign. Yalla, it's 1, r. Aywa. Then, shh, stop talking. And here is 1. And what about the sign? Shall you keep it as it is or you have to flip it? You divide by negative. What did I tell you yesterday? If you divide by negative, what you have to do with this sign? Flip it. So greater, it will be less than. Yes, no, it's a greater. It will be less. See, girls, here she divided by negative. When you divide by negative, you have to flip the sign. And here you have greater than, it must be less than. Yes, yes. No, not remainder. This is r, variable r. R less than 1. Bravo. Now, graph the solution. Yeah. Okay. قلت والله أنا هي
What teacher? Teacher, I don't know it. Wait, we don't do it.
this is positive.
Yeah, I know.
R less than 1. Where is the less than 1?
What?
R less than 1. Where are the numbers that they are less than 1?
What are you writing? This is
Here you have to say minus 8.
OMG.
Yes, this is negative 3.
What are you
No,
writing?
you have to change for these constants. So minus 8 minus 8.
Okay. But teacher, you said you shouldn't use it. Teacher, you shouldn't change it.
Here, here you have positive 8 minus 3r. You have to move the 8 to the second side because they are constant. At the same. أيوة يلا. Okay.
Because it's addition, so we could do that.
Because it's addition, you have to subtract and take the negative sign.
Where? Here. No, and the 5 there. Then we do 8 minus 5, which is equal to 3, and take the greater
Yes.
sign. Subtract by 8 or add 8?
Subtract by 8 because here 8 is positive. 5 minus 8. Okay. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. And here is negative 1, negative 2, negative. Okay. Then next, where is 1? Where is 1? Here is 1. You said R is less than 1. Yani all the values less than 1. However, okay, so where the R will be? Yes. That's it. Thank you. Do you have any question?
Teacher,
Yes.
I just didn't understand the last step. Why did we just flip this one?
Because here you have negative 3R greater than negative 3. When you divide by negative number, you must flip the sign. If you divide by positive, keep it as it is. Juri, I want to check your pre-book. Why you forget math? Today's the day you forget. And يعني
Teacher, here we're gonna, it's multiplication. Here, just change it to the
divide. Yes.
Teacher,
But I want you to write on this page. Okay, then start it. Yeah.
Teacher, wait. Teacher, you start from the positive one, and here we have negative one.
Where positive and negative?
Here in the number 9.
Are less than 1. What are the numbers that they are less than 1? Yes. 0, negative 1, negative 2.
So, teacher, why did you flip the sign?
Because you have to divide by negative, you have to flip the sign.
Divide by negative. So, R is negative. So easy.
R is, لا, it's now positive. When divide negative by negative, it will be
Then
positive.
this one is negative.
This one, it will be positive. But dividing the inequality by negative sign, you have to flip this sign. Yeah, now the next one.
You will come today our.
Yes. Yeah, now 21. Yeah. Yeah, number 21 with Nada now. Now look at here what we have. We have multiplying by decimals. Okay, now it's okay. Now see, and you try the answer, blah, blah, blah. You have your,
No, I swear, teacher, I didn't use it. Well, I didn't use it.
Now here she multiplied negative 2.3 by 3.5x. She get negative 8.05. Negative 20.3 times 3 Negative 6.9. No, 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 no. Okay. Yes. Now less than 21.1 minus 1.8x. Okay.
You didn't write X.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, even if what's happening, and if you have a greater than, make it less than. If you have a greater than or equal, make it less than or equal. Change. Why did you?
Because
Wait. 28.1. Oh, hi, okay. So it has to be plus. You have to change the sign.
no, I got this.
Ah.
Teacher,
Nada, she said that I wanted to keep negative 6.9.
yeah.
Just a minute. إيش فيه؟
Teacher, please don't bring decimals in the test.
Now,
Please don't bring decimals.
here what do you have? Negative 8.05, so you have to say positive.
Why?
I want to move the x to the second side. So I have here negative, I have to say positive here. Positive.
Teacher, but I don't know how to solve it. No,
Oh.
it's not what it is.
Now,
Teacher, please.
negative 6.9 is less than or equal 28.1. Continue.
Teacher, solve this one.
Minus negative 1.8. Now here, negative 1.8 plus 8.05.
Wait, teacher.
Okay?
We should-
What do we have here? We have to add or subtract.
Wait, teacher, we have to add.
Negative. Yes, I have negative 1.8,
Subtract.
8.05. You have to subtract. Bravo. Okay, so subtract, keep the sign. Now let's subtract. How will you subtract decimals? 8.05 minus. I want to subtract, yeah, Julie. I have to put the decimal here. The next one, 1. The ones under the ones, the decimal point under the decimal point. Bismillah. And stop talking. Now, 1.8. So you have to arrange the numbers, the ones under the ones, the decimals under each other.
Can you repeat the decimals? Yeah.
So here, 8.05, I want to subtract from 1.8.
Don't worry about 1.8.
Here, negative 1.8 plus. So here, as I told you, once.
You told us it's going by adding the 8 in the case of positive 8.05 x. Add it. So how you still have
Negative 1.8x plus 8.05x. I want to subtract them. I want to find out with you.
and then you are still equal 6.25.
Now let me continue.
Can we write 1.08?
No, it is 1.8. No, it's not the same. So here, write the ones under the ones, the tens under the tens, and under the hundreds, add the 0. This
Now
0.
it will be 80.
It's the same. Adding 0 in the decimals to the right doesn't matter. Adding 0 to the left in the whole number doesn't matter. 5 minus 0. 5 minus 0. Just a minute. 5 minus 0, 5. Here we have 10.
2.
We take 8 from here, it will be 7. 10 minus 8, 2. We keep the decimal point
6.
down, and 6. So now,
Teacher, from how did you change the 0 to 10? By subtracting from 5, right?
this one is 10. I take 1 from it, and I take 1/10 from the 8 to be 7.
Okay.
Yeah, now continue.
Teacher, I didn't finish writing.
You don't know how to minus this.
It's okay. I will repeat it here. Okay, I will repeat it here.
Teacher, can you hear me?
Yeah,
Okay, I will. So hard, you got it from a grade 5. The decimals. So here you have 6.25. Okay, now Yelena, continue. Not algebra, I'm talking about decimals. Yalla, continue. Now here, negative 6.9 is greater than or equal. Yes, yeah, continue.
يعني يا girl, they will do this.
Now, okay. Put here minus. Judy, I want to see your sleeping. Yeah, I want to check your copy.
يا حبيبي يا حبيبي.
Yalla. Now, negative 6.9 minus 28.1. Now, Nada will show you here how you will add. And since we have
Same sign.
same sign, so what you have to do? Add. Yalla, just a minute.
I want to go to the next question. I didn't solve anything. No, that is my question.
Now here,
The teacher is the
20.
No, when I go home, I will put my copybook and I will write about it. And I will show you.
No, I want to know. Yeah, now here. So here you have negative, now add. Yalla. How you will add decimals. As I told you, you have to arrange them under each other. 1 plus 9, 10. Okay, up. 8 plus 6, 14. Plus 1, 15. Okay, and here 3. So it's 35. Okay, 35 point. So it's negative 35.
How it's 35?
Less than or equal 6 point. Yeah, continue. Now here she wants to divide whole number by decimal.
So teacher, what's the answer here? No.
It must be 35.
Oh, correct.
Negative
I thought you were
35.
gonna make 35.
1 plus 9, 10. Then 6 plus 8, 14 plus 1, 15. 2 plus 1, 3. So it's negative 35. What? Multiply? No,
So divide.
6.25 divide multiply by x. You have to divide.
So then we will do 6.24.
So here you have to divide by 6.25. Divide by 6.25. Shall I divide?
No. So then what we will do?
And I will tell you. Now see, there. Stop. Now for this step here.
Delete the decimal point and put it for that.
This one? This one, number 7. This is 35. Yes, I don't know what here. The answer is 35.0. This one. Now here. After that, she wants to divide by decimals. 35 over 6.25.
Multiply 6.25 by 100 to get rid of the decimal.
Just a minute. Here, I will interact here, okay? Hello, what do we have? We have 35 divided by 6.25.
Negative.
You have a whole? Okay, no problem. لا إله إلا الله.
ما غلطينا بالدرجة. لا, the mouse was not as dropping. The big head is fine dropping, but I didn't finish.
ندى.
What's that?
أيوة لا خلاص. Okay, now here. So I have whole number divided by decimal يا جوري. Okay, teacher, turn your head. Now, by decimal, anything you divide it by decimal, what you have to do here?
Multiply it by 100.
Okay, another way. When you change or you move the decimal point, I have to move it. So I have to move it 2 digits. When I move it 2 digits, I have, okay, I leave it. I have the decimal point here, so move it 2 digits. I move it 2 digits, so I have to add it to the 3 zeros. 2 zeros. Or the way that you know it, multiply by 100. Here I move the decimal point 2 digits. If I move the dividend, I have to, or the divisor, I have to move the dividend. Here I have it like this. So I have to move the decimal point 2 digits. It will be here. So to add, yes, I have to add 2 digits. Now let's continue. Now yeah, 35 divided by. Okay, what do you know? Do you know that if I multiply it by 100 by 100?
Yeah.
I don't know how the teacher explained for you.
The teacher Zainab doesn't explain teacher.
35, 6.25. Okay? You want to divide by decimals. You cannot. What you have to do, you have to make the decimal number whole. How? By moving this decimal point 2 digits. When you move it, it was here, it will be here now. Right. Now, the rule is, if you move it in the divisor, you have to move it in the dividend. So here, it was here. Okay? You have to move it now 2 digits.
So we're put instead of 2,
Zeros.
0.
Bravo, that's it. Okay? So now, you have to move 3 digits. Yes, bravo.
And then
Yeah. Thank you. I want to continue. This is not our lesson. Well, now here.
هذا الثاني؟
No.
This is from grade 5. Here now.
So like
3,000. Yeah, I want to continue.
So like this.
3. Just a minute. Okay. Yeah. Now, what's the number that I have to multiply it by 625? I get 3. 5?
It will be equal to 3,125.
Just a minute. 3,125. Okay, so 5. 5 times 5. 25. 5 times 2, 10 plus 12, 30, 31. Subtract 10, 9, 4, 5, 7, 3, and 0. So here, 375. Yes, adding decimal point, adding 0.
It was 6.
I think it will be 6. 6. Inshallah 6.
No, that's 6. That's 6. No.
6 times 5, 30. 6 times 2, 12 plus 3, 15. No, it will be 6. So here, after that, dividing 35 by 6.25 or 3,500 by 625, the answer is 5.6.
I'm very sure. So x equals 5.5. How did you get this one?
Multiply 6 by, you add decimal point. When you add decimal point, you have to add 0 down. I want to continue here. The remainder is 375. I want to make it 0. So I have to add. No, 325. 375. You want to continue, you have to add 0 and add decimal point. 0, 0, 0, 0.
325.
Then add 0, add decimal point, and add 0 to continue dividing.
Add 0, add decimal point.
Yes, here you have to add decimal point, add 0. So you have 6 times. So you have 3,750.
We should put 0.
No, 3,750. Divide by 625.
Ah.
Okay, so here the answer was. So here it must be.
Oh, yeah. I withdraw again.
Why?
It will be.
هو the period was.
No,
Okay, just a minute. 5.6. So here, dividing 35 by 6.25, it's negative 5.6, as we solved it before, less than or equal x. Yeah, now continue. You have to graph.
It's a whole, there's no space to graph. We need to switch it on this to know how many levels they eat in the last
Juri, where are you? Where are you, Mama? So why you didn't write? I told you write on a paper. Juri, I want you to write now. What is written here? Science, maybe biology, maybe chemistry. I don't know. Stop talking.
The answer is 3,750.
No, wait. This is 10. This is 8. This is 4. You want to subtract. Because you cannot subtract 0 from 5. It will be 10.
You want to make it?
Here.
Yeah. Then make a daira. Let's shade it.
Juri, right now. شو تستوعبي بس؟ طب okay, right when you will start.
I help you.
So here, you have 0. Can you subtract 0 from 5? No. So you have to make it 10, but she can't. You will ask her friend, she can't. Then you go here. This 5, it will be 4. And this 0, it will be 10. Now,
And this 10, it will be 9.
yes, this 10, it will be 9, and this will be 10. Now 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. 4 minus 1 is 3. And 0. So now it's 375. You want to continue. Okay? So here you say first. Yes, miss, yes. You add 0 here and decimal point. Then now you have it. No need to switch. No. Because you divide by positive number. Yes.
We divide by positive number. This was a negative.
Oh yeah, but we divide by 6.25.
No, it's so useless.
أيوة, you will. Yes. Now here, see, here now you have 6.25 and it's positive. And this 6.25 is multiplied by x. I will divide by 6.25. And it's positive. So no need to flip the sign. Julie, I want you to see your. No, I will not solve it. There's no time.
Why? Why will it's my 10 you not start?
يلا طب it's okay. يلا شوفي I will let's go to my class to my second class after you finish writing. لا مش ملخبط ما فيش مش خبط. This is okay. This is Adina. This is all. No. يا بس والله لا no there's no time.
-5.6 greater than